guys, welcome back to my humble abode. Haven't said that in a while. So today I just honestly wanted to come on here and play with some makeup, maybe some chats, and we're gonna do something a little fun today. I've been kind of in the mood to play with makeup. Today we're gonna do a watermelon look. You'll find out as I go what I mean by that. But I have done my eyebrows really simple today. Just put a lot of gel in them, kind of spike them up as much as I can. For some reason this one, beautiful. This one, it's getting there. But, and I have prepped my eyes already. I used my MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. It's a little yellow for me, but I'm putting eyeshadow over it anyways. It's fine. Let's get to it, my friends. Alright, so I have gracefully showered, did my whole shower routine, my hair routine. I have yet to dry it because I figured I'd do an overall finished beauty look once it was all complete. And oh my gosh, I just realized I really need to dye my hair, but that's okay. Besides the point. Let's get to it. So we're gonna go in with this palette again, and we are gonna go in with some bright colors today. We're gonna go in with that green and that pink. Ooh. And this is, I'm really excited for this. This is not like your kind of normal everyday routine. But anyways, yeah. So if you guys haven't seen, I did a fun video last week. I'll link it below, and I had a special guest come on and we did a drugstore challenge, and she did my makeup. So that was really, really fun. If you guys haven't seen it, I really urge you to go see it. Plus it's linked below, so like click it. So we're gonna go in with that pink color. And guys, I'm going to be blowing this out quite a bit. We're going onto the face once I do my actual face makeup. We're just going to finish the eyes first, and there's going to be some fun freckles. And I actually am really kind of excited because I have a special lipstick that's actually called Watermelon Soda. So this one here, so it's just gonna complete the look, and I'm really excited, and I'm loving how pink this pink is so far. And then we'll obviously blow it out some more, and then we'll keep the green subtle but not subtle, if that makes sense, because your girl wants some bold colors today. How is everyone doing? Anything new and exciting in the worlds of you loves? Nothing too exciting here going on. So not much to update you on. I've got some fun new makeup to try out. I'm not gonna tell you because I want to keep it a secret till I try it out. So I'm really excited about that. And then we're gonna go in the inner corners with that green, the lime green color that I like so much. Ooh, yes. Now this is a color combination I could totally get used to. Ooh. That's some good pigment. I'm excited to use more of this palette. I'm really loving it so far. I got this as a gift, and like, ooh, lordy, I'm liking Okay, and then we're just gonna blow it out a little bit. Kind of blend it out so there's no harsh lines. My other side. It's so weird to come on here with like unfinished hair, but like I just wanted to like do like a full transformation once I'm done. Thought it would be kind of a cool like ending to the video. I don't know. I always like doing these fun looks. When I worked at Sephora, I did these fun looks. Lets me think outside the box, be a little bit more creative. I am definitely a creative soul at heart, so it's definitely fun to do more of these kind of crazy looks that you probably wouldn't see every day. I love drawing, I like doing all that type of stuff. I have to get back into calligraphy and painting. I was doing that for a while, as well as it's kind of therapeutic, so I should get back into that, but I have so much going on that I never really make time, so it's my own fault. I'm really excited for this finished look, you guys. I did this once at Sephora, so I really wanted to kind of show you and do it again. So this is the eyes so far. I am going to go in with some new stuff that I got. I'm really excited about this. This is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer, the Illuminating. And I'm going to use the one that I used in the last video, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I kind of want a little bit of shiny skin. I don't know. I feel like maybe watermelons aren't too matte. They're kind of like slick and stuff, so you know, we'll try it out. So I'm gonna go in with those two and do my face. So with this, I'm just going to warm it up in my hands, and then kind of just put everywhere. You can kind of see that glow it gives you in the skin. I'm just gonna finish my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my concealer and my foundation on. I like it so far. I honestly think it might be better with a tinted moisturizer or paired with the Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer. So there's that too. I also did the mixture of NARS Radiant Creaming Concealer in light, in Macadamia and Chanel. These are a little bit too yellow for me. So I tend to not use them as much. But I do like the actual concealer itself. It's not super high coverage, but it is a nice concealer. Give me 1 second, I gotta blow his hair back. Oh, okay, much better. I tried, guys, but I'm just gonna do it. Alright guys, so I'm probably just gonna go in with my bronzer now, my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I played with this in the last video, and now that's, well, we played with this in my last video, so now it's my turn to kind of play with it this time, and it is very shimmery, but I'm liking it. I mean, I'm giving myself a glow today because I figure for this look, I don't know, I just feel like a shimmery, glowy skin would be better than a very, very matte skin. And I will say too that you do not need very much of this. Well, it goes a long way. Oh, kind of smells coconutty. Ooh, reminds me of a beach. I like that. Now, being that this is a drugstore bronzer, it wasn't as cheap as I'd like it to be. But I can kind of see why it's a really good bronzer, so I think I would pay for it again. And it just smells fantastic. Always go under the chin just to give me some more definition. Yes, we are. I have the Poppy Pink Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain Posy Tint by Benefit that I'm going to use today. I don't know if that's better. And it's a little stick guy, and it's very pink, so I thought it would be kind of, you know, very appropriate. I'm just going to go in with my hands. My fingers, I should say. With the foundation too, that you can definitely layer it on for a more full coverage. It is pretty full coverage, except for one layer for me anyways. It's still a little bit see-through. My skin is going through something right now, so there could be that too. But I'm also kind of, I should really use that blush more. Oh, I like it. You can see it's still not super high coverage, so, but don't worry, I'm gonna go in with some eyeshadow underneath too, so I'm not quite there yet. Go with some more butter bronzer, as the blush did take some of it away. I don't know if it reacted well with the powder, because it kind of like did a weird separation. So not loving that, but not loving this entire skin look right now, but it's okay. We're playing, right? So we're gonna go back in with our eyeshadow. And we're gonna take our fluffy brush, we're gonna tap it off, and we are going to go back in, and we're really gonna blow out that pink. Ooh, okay guys, so this is what it looks like so far. I think I'm gonna just put on a bit more green just to kind of make it pop a little bit more, because I find that it's fading. You can also put on concealer too first and then put the color on, and it might last a little bit better. We're gonna go in with some highlight. So we're gonna take the Urban Decay Mother of Dragons highlight palette, and we're gonna go in with that pink. because that would be cool. And why not? And I don't know why I have this fascination, but a lot of the brushes I haven't used yet are still in packaging just to keep them safe. And also I have a lot of brushes, so I'm kind of like, which ones do I use? But I should definitely be a little bit more adventurous. Oh yeah. Right, and then of course I'm gonna use it again, and we're gonna put some in the corners of my eyes. A little bit will show up. Cool. Maybe we'll highlight the brow bone with a little bit. Okay, so we are gonna see if this works. We're gonna take the Annabelle Skinny brow liner, and we're gonna try and see if this works. Not bad. Not sure I love that. I think a liquid liner might work a little bit better, but we'll see. Okay, now we're going to go in with Buck, and I'll be right back with a semi-finished look. Okay guys, this is it so far. We're gonna come back with a fully finished look. We'll be right back, guys. Hi guys. Okay, this is she finished look. I am actually kind of obsessed with this, and I think I did a pretty good job. What do you think? Also, just an FYI, this was the best eyelash application I have ever, as I fix it, I have ever had. I don't know why, but yeah. And how perfect is this watermelon soda? It literally, hold on, what does it smell like? Oh, it smells like watermelon candy. I'm not lying to you. I really wish you guys could smell through phones. I'm not gonna lie, I think I rocked it this time. I'm like really, really impressed. Freckles and all. I mean, I can, don't get me wrong, I can definitely work on the freckles, but I figured like watermelon seeds, like hello, and the pink and the green, and like I had to wear a pink shirt because number one, I only have pink, I don't have green. And this is my cutest one, so but yeah. Okay guys, enough of me admiring myself, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this look today, little chats, and I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you guys are in the world, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!